Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Ruby from the Dead West set. She was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with Gung-Ho green for her jeans. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For her jacket and hat, I went with German Camo black brown as the base colour. Getting all of her exposed skin done, I went with Sunny Skin Tone. Next up, I grabbed Reddish grey for her shirt and the trim around her jacket. Finishing off the clothing base colours, I used Gyzmo fur to get the belt and boots done, and since I had this out, I also done the wood parts on the weapons. For her hair, I went with sand yellow to get that sandy blonde look that the artwork has. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Getting started on the highlights, I used Golden Olive to bring up all of the raised folds on her jeans. Next up, I used warm grey to bring up the reddish grey parts and dotted in her eyes. Moving up the mini a bit more now, I grabbed Cork Brown and added a highlight to the belt and wooden parts of the weapons. For the last highlight, I used Druid Flesh and just brought up all of the raised parts of her jacket and dotted in her eyes. She's wearing some gemstones around her hat and one around her neck. These both get done with Leviathan blue. Getting the metal parts done now, I went for plate armor over all of them. Adding a wash to the mini, I went with an all-over wash of Archaic Sepia wash, just picking up any parts that pulled too much. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Ruby. She was a nice and easy one to paint up and just the right amount of detail on this mini. It's not too much and it's not too little really. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. If you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.